Italian has many fundamentals that are simple to understand after learning its principles. Basic words and phrases in Italian include question words, personal pronouns, days of the week, months, time words, greetings and farewells, and numbers. Question words in Italian are known as interrogative words that cannot be answered by simply saying yes or no, or in Italian, sì, no. These questions specify the context of a sentence and indicate how the receiver of a question should respond. What can be expressed in multiple ways, with colloquial formations. Che cosa, cosa. Which is quale, the singular form, and quali, the plural form. Also, gender doesn't affect these words. Who is chi. When is quando. Where is dove. Why and because can both be expressed using one word, perché, and intonation will tell the difference. How is come, and how much or how many is quanto for masculine singular nouns, quanta for feminine singular nouns, and quanti and quante for plural nouns. When using the words in context, Italian doesn't change the word order because there is no inversion or auxiliary verb like in English. Then, Italian has personal subject pronouns that are mainly used for emphasis because the language drops them due to verb conjugations. Such pronouns are replacements for proper names of people. Io is I. Tu is you, informal. Lei is you, formal. Lui is he. Lei is she. Noi is we. Voi is you all. Loro is you all, formal, and they. As you can see, Italian has many nuances with the pronouns, and we can see the differences in English. 1. There is no pronoun for it. 2. Lei can mean she and formal you, so context and verb conjugations tell the difference. Also, the formal you, lei, is always capitalized, and it's used to show respect when speaking with professionals. 3. Io doesn't need to be capitalized like in English, unless it's the first word in a sentence. 4. Loro can mean they and formal you all, and just like with lei, capitalization, context, and conjugations tell the difference. However, while loro can mean formal you all, it's extremely rare and sounds old-fashioned in Italian speech. Instead of using loro, modern Italian uses lei and voi. Aside from these pronouns in the personal form, Italian can change them when put in the form of object pronouns, possessive pronouns, or any other form. These pronouns indicate the grammatical person, gender, and number of the noun they replace. For now, it's better to show them but not describe them, as they need separate videos for explanation. Then, Italian has the days of the week. Lunedì, martedì, mercoledì, giovedì, venerdì, sabato, domenica. English capitalizes the words, but Italian doesn't, unless it's the first word in a sentence. The first 5 days end in di, which comes from day, but only sabato and domenica change in the plural. Then, Italian has the months. Gennaio, febbraio, marzo, aprile, maggio, giugno, luglio, agosto, settembre, ottobre, novembre, dicembre. Just like with days, months are not capitalized unless they're the first word in a sentence. Then, Italian has common time words like oggi, domani, ieri, adesso, ora, presto, tardi, sempre, mai, spesso, a volte, qualche volta. At the same time, we can see parts of the day. La mattina, il pomeriggio, la sera, la notte. Then, Italian has a lot of useful greetings and farewells. These phrases can be very useful when speaking the language and meeting new people. Common greetings are ciao, salve, buongiorno, buon pomeriggio, buonasera, come stai, come sta. As a note, ciao is used for friends and family. In formal settings, salve is better. Common farewells are ciao, arrivederci, arrivederla, a dopo, a presto, buonanotte. When using such farewells, some things need to be considered, such as ciao, which can mean hi and bye. On the other hand, arrivederci can mean goodbye or literally until we see each other again. The word functions like a standard noun or interjection, while arrivederla with a capital L is a very formal way to say goodbye or until I see you again, showing a lot of respect to a professional, such as sir or ma'am. Finally, Italian has cardinal numbers that are spelled and pronounced like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Numbers past 10 are 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Numbers past 20 are 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. When combining tense numbers with one's numbers, the spelling will simply join the two in any tense number, except for uno and otto with 20. Those numbers will drop E from 20. 21, 28. The rest will have basic spellings. Numbers 100 and beyond are 100, 1000, mila for plural, and 1.000.000. At last, Italian has ordinal numbers that function like adjectives, so they agree in gender and number with the noun they describe. Primo, prima, secondo, seconda, terzo, terza, quarto, quarta, quinto, quinta, sesto, sesta, settimo, settima, ottavo, ottava, nono, nona, decimo, decima. Listing numbers past decimo, decima is too excessive because many of them will simply replace the last vowel with esimo, esima, with little spelling changes. Overall, these are basic words, phrases, and fundamentals in Italian.